So I've decided to start doing a new little series called Stupid Mondays. Stupid Mondays. New... Right. But frankly, it's quite fun to do something stupid on a Monday. So I'm going to take my bike helmet. It doesn't work very well with glasses. And then blow up a balloon with a helmet on. But we need something that blows up a little bit faster. I wanted to experience what it would be like to have a balloon going off kind of in your head. No real reason for it, really. I can't reach the thing, that's the trouble. All the way down there. So unpleasant.